Hey, what's up, guys? I'm here with a new strategy on how to make money online. Today, I'm going to be using a website called Star.co. This website is used to generate organic growth on Instagram. Don't worry, you don't need an Instagram account. You don't need to follow anybody. You don't need anything. You don't even need Instagram account. This is a new strategy I've worked on, and I have done some research on it. So I decided to give it out today for you guys to use to make money online. It's a very easy step. As usual, if you stick to the end, there's a bonus for you to gain times two of the money if you stick to the end, as usual. So today I'm going to start with this Kickstarter. You can see Kickstarter is the most powerful organic growth tool for Instagram. No spam, no fake followers, no bots, just pure organic growth, powered by a cutting edge. At You can see, you can read everything from the site. Like I said, you don't need an Instagram account. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how you're going to turn this into making money. So before we start, I would like it for you guys to go to my channel, subscribe to my channel, like this video if you like this video. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. I'll reply. So let's start. Like I said, I'm not going to be using. We don't need any Instagram account. So what I want you guys to do now is to scroll down to the very end of this page. Then you will see affiliate. Click on affiliate. So you can see make money with Kickstarter. Whether you are happy Kickstarter customer or a new partner looking for a spread the word on our software, earn some money. Something crazy about this Kickstarter is that it's genuine. They pay. In fact, I don't need to talk too much. I'd like you guys to see about it. You can see welcome on board. They give 50% commission. And do you know how much you pay for buying this product? Let me show you the price. The standard product is $49, and the premium, which people prefer, is $99. 45 days cookie lifespan. This website is absolutely good. I've used this 100% timely payout. You can use any payment option, bonus, as a how to get started, submit your application. It takes like up to 3 hours to 4 hours before you get approved. But it's an easy step. All you have to do is just come over here, sign up. Just put your first name, your last name, your email, password. Then verify you're not a robot, agree to the terms of the service, then you sign up now. So once you are done with that, like I said, it will take 3 to 2 hours for you to get approved. Getting approved, they will send you a link. That's the affiliate link, which will be given to people for you to get money. Don't worry, you're not going to stress yourself looking for people to send your link to for them to buy. I'm going to give you a good strategy, or now I'm going to make people to buy your link without stressing yourself. It's automated. People just keep getting your link, and people just at least take you 5 minutes to just do the steps and you gain money from it. Like I said, this Kickstarter is a monthly subscription stuff. So you are gaining for each month, you are gaining 50%. So you can see the passive income. So now I want to show you guys how to get your link to people. First of all, I want you guys to go to Google, then just see it works anywhere in the world. Just search for anything you feel like searching for. For example, so I want to do something like this. What's the different restaurants? You come to view. Once you come over here, you look for a restaurant. Right? So you want to go over to their social media. It seems they don't have Instagram account, but if you find that's one of at least you have to do something, nothing comes for free. When you find a store or anything, maybe a gym store, anything, and they have Instagram account, you check their Instagram account out. If you see they don't have enough activity on their Instagram account, maybe followers or likes, then you can write to them maybe through their email that you can help them. Don't give them your link at first because it will be like spam to them, like a spam message. Wait, build up with them by giving them, letting them to reply you first. Then once they reply, they can decide to give them the link. And don't forget, once you give them the link, because they don't have enough activity on their Instagram accounts, and they want more people because this is social media I'm talking about. A lot of people are finding out about new things on social media. So they're going to click on your link, they buy the subscription, then you get paid 50%. So that's one of the ways. Now I want to show you another way that will get you times two of the money you earn by following this way. This one you're actually going to be selling, you're going to be selling something, and you're also giving out the link, which means you're making double money. So first you're going to be using udemy.com. Don't worry, you don't have to create a course. Don't worry, I'm going to put it through. I'm going to put through everything. I want to show you guys something. You can see people are posting their course and they're getting $18. You can see different people. Let me search for Instagram so you guys can see. So you can see $18. You can see 24,000 people have bought this for $18. So you know how much is that. Do the calculation yourself. You can see how much people are buying it. So I'm going to show you how to create a Udemy course. If you don't know how to create it, it's not going to take up to 5 minutes. I'm going to show you. And you earn money, and inside the course you put the link below. So because for them to buy your course, obviously they are really ready to grow their Instagram account, and they also click on your link, which will take them to Kickstarter for them to buy the subscription. Then you also earn commission for referring them. So all you have to do now is go to Google, just search for free Udemy courses. I found one. Name is coursecity.com. So I just search for Instagram and I can see different Instagram free courses. You just click on anyone you want. So all you just need to do is just open the course, copy every single thing from the course. You can change some things. Then don't forget to paste your own link as a tool that is going to make them hold your Instagram account. I know you guys, I'm sure you guys are what I'm talking about. So they drop the link there so that they can click on it. They buy the subscription, either the $99 or the $49. I get 50% commission, and you don't forget it's every month. So they pay you every month. It's automatic, and you get money online. So this way, you're getting 2 times the normal way of getting money, because each person, for example, you sell your product, your cost for $15, you get $15 and you're getting money for your commission on Kickstarter. So you can see you're getting double money. And don't forget this Udemy.com, they drive traffic by themselves, so you don't need to worry yourself to drive the traffic to your course. Once you publish your course on Udemy, you get traffic automatically. People buy your course because a lot of people want to grow their Instagram account, so they're going to buy your course, and you're able to start earning a lot of money per month. Then you're also going to get any money from the link you provided in your course. So that's double profit for you. So that's all for today. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any question or anything, or you want me to check out something, or you want me to do a review on particular something, you can write in the comment section. I will reply you once I see the comment. Have a nice day.